Hi, good morning. Welcome to Simplexity Product Development. My name is Meindert Norg. I'm a system engineer here at Simplexity, and I'm happy to show you around our facility. Here we enter one of our assembly areas. So it's where we put our products together after we've designed it. Behind here is shipping and receiving. Where we receive our parts, we stack them on racks when needed. We unpack them into our manufacturing areas. This is another assembly room. It's actually a secure area, so that only people that have access to the room can get in here if their client requests so. And from here we go into our workshop, where we typically modify parts that are manufactured externally, but if we need an extra hole, we need another small modification.
Hi, I'm Arne Carlson. I'm a senior mechanical designer at Simplexity Product Development. I'm also an experienced machinist, and I'm going to show you around the shop. So here we have a gearhead lathe. We use it to make modifications to parts, quick turn parts. That's mostly what we do here, is either something needs to be modified or we need something in an emergency. We have your standard tools, a deburring grinder, a belt sander, a manual mill, an old Bridgeport. It's an older machine, but it's a really good one. We love it here. This one we'll use for more of our simple things. And over here we have a ProtoTrack bed mill that can be programmed from the controller, or as I typically do it more often, I use a CAM program to generate it from 3D. This is a cabinet of shop supplies, mills, drills, reamers, taps, counterbores, and the like. Bandsaw, drill press, some material, round stock, some aluminum extrusion that we use a lot of. Then we have our sheet metal, our little mini sheet metal area here. We have a corner notcher, and over there we have a sheet metal brake of our own design that works in our hydraulic press. Okay, and that was a quick tour of Simplexity's machine shop. I hope you enjoyed it.
So that's awesome to have that in-house. Now we'll be going upstairs. Upstairs is where typically the engineers sit. This is our engineering area. It's where we make our designs. We've got a relatively flexible work schedule. Some people like to work from home, some people like to work here a couple of days a week. You can see some space for hardware. Our engineers doing their design work. This is my little spot here. For example, the things that we sometimes do is build a demonstrator with which we can de-risk part of the motion system. This is actually a demonstrator for the system that's being put together downstairs. So we can experiment on this and then make sure that everything works. This is our EE lab. We can do our experiments on and assemblies for electrical parts and modifications when needed. Some more assembly rooms. That's an experimental room or assembly room, depending on what's needed or not. One more here, a couple of more offices in case people want to have more privacy in their work, and some spaces for our techs. And then we go downstairs again. Thank you all for joining us on this virtual tour of our San Diego office, one of our 4 West Coast offices here in the US. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.